Governor Newsom discussed what pulling the Johnson & Johnson vaccine means for the state's supply of those shots. And he was at this event today where he talked about it. The governor emphasized that we're still on track for reopening California's economy in June despite this vaccine pause.
It will not materially impact our ability to fulfill our expectations and commitment to provide enough vaccine to fully vaccinate all those that seek to get vaccinated so that we can begin to more fully open our economy by June 15th.
The governor also says that the vaccine's pause will not delay the state's efforts later this week even to open up the vaccine eligibility to all Californians 16 and over. So now the scramble is on to replace, of course, those J&J shots with either Pfizer or Moderna vaccines for people with appointments, Chris.
Yeah, officials are encouraging people not to cancel their appointments due to the setback. KCAL 9's Rachel Kim is live at a vaccination site in Encino with the concerns. Rachel.
Well, Chris and Jazz, the California Department of Public Health said this week less than 4% of their vaccine allocation is the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, so they don't expect a significant impact. But our local authorities are making sure the J&J vaccine isn't administered at their sites like this one for the time being.
Unfortunately, it is a concern, mainly because these are 6 otherwise healthy women who are trying to prevent something really bad happening with the COVID infection.
There is concern and caution among medical authorities today after reports that 6 women between the ages of 18 and 48 developed rare types of blood clots 6 to 13 days after getting the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
It compromises blood flow, specifically the exit of blood flow in your brain. So not only can it compromise your brain function, that backup can lead to hemorrhage inside the brain, which can lead to strokes.
Dr. Michael Hurt explains what makes J&J different from Pfizer or Moderna.
So the difference is that there's a virus that's doing some of the work that the Pfizer-Moderna vaccines don't require. We think that that viral infection, as benign as it is, combined with the spike protein, may be the secret sauce that in some patients is causing their blood to clot inside their veins and arteries.
Following the recommendations of the FDA and CDC, the city and county of LA are pausing the use of the vaccine at their sites. The people we spoke with were signed up for the Pfizer vaccine, but they had heard the news about Johnson & Johnson's.
I was worried for, the people that did get the vaccine, and I hope that everything is going to be okay with them, but it didn't really discourage me in general. I feel pretty safe getting the vaccine today.
You've heard stuff about Moderna and stuff like that, so I mean, I'm not scared about it.
Mayor Eric Garcetti's office said there were no J&J vaccine appointments at the city's mass vaccination sites today because of shortages. But this did impact about 3,000 scheduled appointments at smaller scale distribution programs. Most of those people will be offered Pfizer vaccines instead, but some appointments will have to be rescheduled.
No, I think they're taking every step to make sure that everybody's going to be okay.
The LA County Department of Public Health says they'll be contacting patients about rescheduling or providing new appointments with Pfizer or Moderna vaccines. Now, the doctors we spoke with said if you got the Johnson & Johnson vaccine and are experiencing complications or extreme side effects, please call your doctor or go to the emergency room immediately. Reporting live in Encino, Rachel Kim, KCAL 9 News.